Scientists on the International Panel of Climate Change are absolutely clear that we have only got a decade left in which to decarbonise our economy so that we can avert a monumental natural disaster. Labour not only recognises the need to rise to meet this climate crisis challenge, but also sees it as an opportunity where we can revitalise our economy and create hundreds of thousands of jobs in a new green industrial revolution. We're going to invest £250 billion in green industries and green technologies and green policies that will transform our society. At the forefront of this will be an investment into renewable energy technologies, where we'll build dozens of offshore wind farms, relax planning regulations that prohibit building wind turbines on land, expand our solar energy capacity and investigate tidal and hydro power solutions. All of this green energy will not be wasted in poorly insulated homes and businesses as Labour rolls out a programme of upgrading 27 million homes in our housing stock. This will all be complemented by other measures in society that will help reduce our impact on the planet, such as incentivising people to once again return to using public transport. Rail fares will be capped and our lines will be electrified. Our rural bus services will be restored along all of their routes and will offer free bus travel to the under 25s. For those who still need a private vehicle, we'll give 0% interest loans on purchases of electric vehicles and massively expand the current network of electric charging stations. Unlike the Tories, we'll put a proper ban onto fracking and we'll make sure that the assumption is always that we will leave fossil fuels in the ground. People who are working in the current fossil fuel industries will be given training opportunities so they can make a just transition into the new green industry. The Conservatives only ever pay lip service to environmental protections, and Boris Johnson has made claims that fracking is the answer to our nation's prayers. On the other hand, the Liberal Democrats are proposing to only decarbonise by 2045, which is 15 years later than the science demands. Labour's proposals for a green industrial revolution is a world-leading environmental policy. Only Labour is prepared to meet this crisis head-on and take the steps that are necessary to prevent a catastrophe. On the 12th of December, vote Labour for real change.